In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wise account in India. We'll walk through the process on a mobile device, keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Before you start, make sure you have a stable internet connection, access to your email inbox on the same phone, and your mobile number handy. If you don't already have the Wise app, download it from your app store so you're ready to go. Open the Wise app on your phone. On the home screen, look for the option to register. This is important. Register is for creating a new account, while login is for returning users. Tap register to begin. You'll be asked to enter your email address. Use an email you can access right now and that you plan to keep long term, since Wise will send important notifications there. After you enter your email, tap next to continue. Now, switch to your email app and look for the message from Wise. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Open the email and approve the sign up by following the prompt inside. Then return to the Wise app and tap confirm. This verifies that you own the email and helps keep your account secure. Next, the app will ask what type of account you want to create. Choose personal if you're using Wise for your own transfers and everyday needs. Choose business if you're setting it up for a company or freelance work, and you'll be receiving or sending money related to your business activities. Pick the one that matches your use case. You'll then be asked to select your country or region. Choose India from the list. This ensures your account aligns with local requirements and fees, and it enables features relevant to users in India. Tap continue, and then tap next to proceed through the on-screen prompts. Now it's time to add your phone number. Enter a mobile number you actively use and can receive SMS on. Double check that the country code is correct and that the number is typed accurately. This number helps secure your account and is used for verification when you sign in or make changes. Finally, tap Send Code. Wise will send a one-time code to the number you provided. Keep your phone nearby and ensure you have network coverage so the text arrives promptly. If you're traveling, make sure roaming or messaging is enabled. That's it for this setup stage. You've launched the app, confirmed your email, chosen the right account type, selected India, and requested your verification code. In the next part, you'll complete verification and finish personalizing your account. Thanks for watching, and great job getting this far.